If you're choosing a productivity tool in 2026, two names you'll see are AFFiNE and Notion. One is a rising open source challenger, the other the industry standard. So which one is actually better? Let's break it down. So Notion is the go-to productivity app for millions. It combines notes, databases, wikis, and project management into one flexible workspace. It's known for its ease of use, powerful databases, and massive ecosystem. Some of its pros: powerful databases, templates, and integrations, clean UI with strong collaboration tools, and huge community and resources. However, it's mostly cloud-based, limited offline use, and less control over data and privacy, especially for teams and creators who want a proven all-in-one workspace. AFFiNE is a newer tool positioning itself as a Notion plus Miro hybrid. It's an open source, local first, and even includes an infinite whiteboard canvas alongside documents and tasks. Some of its pros: offline first with full data ownership, built-in whiteboard and docs in one tool, and highly customizable and self-hostable. However, it has a smaller ecosystem and still evolving. Databases are not as advanced as Notion yet. It's best for developers and privacy-focused users who want control and flexibility. So which one is better? Choose Notion if you want a polished, reliable, all-in-one productivity system with powerful databases and team features. Choose AFFiNE if you want privacy, offline access, and a more customizable open source workshop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.